Hey guys, it's Al with techmadeezy, and thank you so much for clicking on our video. Guys, this will be a short one. We're going to do a quick review and test on this AllPowers 200-watt solar panel. All right, this is foldable. Obviously, it's portable because of that. Not too heavy. And we're going to see how it does in our test with an AllPowers power station. So, why don't we go ahead and get this party started. Hi, this is Al from techmadeezy with a really quick message. The video you're about to watch is sponsored. We received this product from the vendor. But keep in mind, we will be very honest with you as we review the product. That is very important to us. If you like our video, I sure hope you give us a thumbs up. I hope you share our video. And last, I really hope you subscribe and become a part of the family. Thank you. Let's take a close look at the panel. And then after this, I will open it up, but I'll also show you what's included in the pouch on the other side. So start off with the handle. Looks like you got some good stitching on the handle, but it's definitely very thin. So it's not a real heavy panel. I guess you don't have to worry about that. That should do the job. You've got these rings. I guess they're used for hanging the panel. They're going to be on both sides. So you got about 4 of them to my knowledge. Actually, no, you've got 6 of these. All right, because I think you've got them in the middle and all of the corners. Again, you've got the AllPowers logo. These straps that just kind of pop out. Nice, easy to use. Kickstand, and you'll see that this has 4 kickstands, 1 on each panel, which actually keeps it pretty straight, which is nice. Take a look at the other side. Again, you see another kickstand, and then you see this pouch, and we're going to lay this down and show you what's included. All right, real quick, I just want to pull some information up for you. MSRP on this panel is $299. There's the model number, and there are the specs and the weight. Hit pause if you need to review this longer. Before I open it up, let's take a look at what's in this pouch. It looks like they give you a bunch of cables, so let's take a peek here and see. Wow. Okay, so we get an MC4 connector to DC. All right, that's cool. So that'll actually connect the solar cable that's on the panel to this, and then you can plug it into DC. Now, check this out. They give you a bunch of DC converters. That's good. Okay, you get, I don't know, is this for battery charging? It looks like you get a cable that will connect to MC4 and then go to a battery, positive, negative. Check that out. That's pretty interesting. And then you get your standard. Now this cable is made, this is a XT60 to MC4. So this is what we will be using for the power station. By the way, the power station doesn't come with one of these. So I guess if you buy the solar panel, you get it. Otherwise, you have to buy the cable separately, but you do get that. And you get a small booklet as well. So let me crack this open. Let's take a look at the design. So as I open this up, I realize they have 4 kickstands and 4 panels. That's pretty interesting. Most manufacturers don't do that, so that's really nice to see. You also have these ties on the corners of the panel. All right, looks like it's in the middle. So you've got one here, one there, then you've got them in the middle on the top and the bottom, and then you have them in the ends. And this is a look at the solar panel opened up, and let's go ahead and angle it now. So I got it open, and let me tell you something. The kickstands use Velcro, but when you open one up, the other one goes and reconnects again to Velcro. So it's pretty interesting. You're going to fight to open this up, but once you get it opened, it's not so bad. Let's see now. So these adjust a little bit. They don't just, this is it. So this is going to be let's look at the steepest angle for a minute. So that is going to be our steepest angle, as you can see there. That's about as steep as it gets, you know. And obviously you can kick it up a little bit by pulling these up, you know, so you pretty much pull all of them up. So you're not going to have a lot of adjustability on this panel. This is the highest angle. All right, we're going to do our solar test with the AllPower power station. And of course, this 200 watt AllPower solar panel. Now let me tell you what I got here. So anytime I get a solar panel, I always get extra cable so I can take the solar panel and I can put it out further, right? And obviously keep my power station nearby, nice and cool. So we'll put a link in the description for this, and you can get it in different sizes. Now, this is a solar angle guide, very inexpensive. And it basically, see that little dot in the front? What it does is it creates a shadow. And this really will tell you, do I have my solar panel angled the best? And you want the shadow to be in the bullseye. I'll show you that in a minute. Again, we'll put the link in the description for that. And then this is a MC4 disconnector tool. I'll show you how it works. It's very inexpensive. It allows you to disconnect the solar, panel from the solar cables. It just makes it a little easier. All right. But I'm going to put some specs up on the screen for the, let's start off with the power station. So the power station can handle 650 watts max, 12 to 60 volt, 13 amp. Now the solar panel is a 200 watt solar panel. Open circuit voltage is 44.4 volts. Short circuit current is 5.95 amps. As you can see, the solar panel is right within the specs of the power station, and that's important. You want to make sure you don't go over that open circuit voltage when you're using an individual panel. So this is 44.4, and we've got up to 60 that the power station can handle. So let's check this out. Now, the one reason why I'm a fan of this solar angle guide is because, as you can see, the dot creates a shadow. And that shadow is really what you want to move to get your right angle. Check this out. We got a perfect angle here. I'm just going to lay this on top. And what we're looking at, the sun is already blocking the shadow. Now if I turned it, you'll see the shadow come out. All right. So again, perfect angle, because again, if I take this and move it, it'll be the wrong angle, whether it's back or forth. So this is a perfect angle. And I'll definitely make sure the link is in the description for this, because it's really helpful. So we've got our cables connected to the solar panel, to our extension cables. Let's go ahead and connect it to the power station. As you can see on the left side of the power station, you're going to have your XT60. All right, so we're going to just connect this in here, nice and tight. We're going to go ahead and connect our solar cable. We've got one more to connect. Then we're going to watch the screen. Turn the screen here. Give it a moment. Now, I don't think I have to turn it on, but maybe I do. Most of these turn on by themselves. Okay, here it goes. So 96 watts, 121, 129, 131, 132. We're at 58% charged. 132 watts coming in from the solar panel. Now the recharge time's not listed. It says 00. usually would tell you, based off 133 watts, how long would it charge the power station, but that's not showing, which is interesting. But 134 watts is the highest. All right, look at that. 134 watts out of a 200 watt solar panel. Not bad, not bad. Not bad. Nice day, a little bit of clouds in the sky. Temperature right now is about 77 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's a success and a good demonstration on how solar works with the AllPowers power station, and of course that new 200 watt AllPowers solar panel. So I saw as high as 135, and now I want to show you how to disconnect these cables the easiest way with this tool. So that's why there's two pins here. What happens is you're putting one pin there and one pin there. Now don't put it this way, because then you're going to be like locking it practically when you put it this way. You want to put it this way. All right, again, I'm just going to take it underneath, put it in just like that, and then the cable disconnects real easy. So that's it. That's how you use it. We'll make sure that these are in the video description, guys. So how hard is it to close this up? It's really not bad. It closes easier than it opens, as I said before, because of the Velcro. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the panel, lift it up in the air, and you're going to see that all the kickstands are reattached with the Velcro. They did, really. You know, that's the thing, like I said, when you're setting it up. But what you're going to do is you're going to take the two of these panels here, fold them in like this. All right, and then close this. So now you have your pouch here, and you've got the front part right here. All right, and all you need to do is close the buckles, and you're ready to go, and you're all closed up. Before I end the video, let me give you some feedback. So number one, I like that it has 4 kickstands, because this thing is really straight with the 4 kickstands, so I like that. I think these loops are going to be helpful depending on who you are. You might want to hang this up. So you've got, loops on this side, you've got loops in the middle, and you've got loops at the other end. So that can be helpful. Now, the only thing that I don't like is the Velcro. And I know it's weird, right? Because the Velcro will allow you to keep these kickstands up against the panel. But the problem is when you're first opening up this solar panel, you're going to struggle, because as you pull a kickstand down, another one's going to reattach to Velcro. So, the Velcro is really strong, and I think that's the only way, you're going to get it to work. So you'll struggle a little bit, but once you get it set up, I think you'll be fine. All right, guys, not bad. We'll put a link in the video description for the panel. All right, so what do you think? We got 135 watts out of a 200 watt panel using the AllPowers power station. I hope this video is helpful, guys, and if it was, take a moment, give us a thumbs up. We'd greatly appreciate it. And by the way, I'll put our social media right on top. If you want to follow us on Instagram or Twitter or Facebook or TikTok, go ahead, that'd be great. Send us a message letting us know. I'll also have my Tesla channel in the upper right hand corner. We just started that about a year ago, and little by little we're coming out with some videos. If you want, go ahead and look us up at My Tesla Journey 1 on YouTube and subscribe and join our family. And by the way, I'll put some videos here on the right side if you want to look at that maybe. And if you want to join our family and subscribe to our channel, I'm going to put a round Techmadeezy logo right there, and all you got to do is click that, and you'll be able to subscribe to our channel. Guys, thanks so much. Have a wonderful day.